Okay, if your Whirlpool fridge section is warm but the freezer is still working fine, this is actually a very common problem. In this video, I'll show you the easiest fixes you can try step by step in 2026 before calling for repair. Most Whirlpool refrigerators cool the fridge using cold air coming from the freezer. So if airflow gets blocked or a fan stops working, the freezer stays cold but the fridge stops cooling. Open the fridge and freezer and locate the air vents. Make sure food containers or ice buildup are not blocking them. Check the temperature controls and reset them. Set the refrigerator to about 37 degrees Fahrenheit and the freezer to 0 degrees. Listen inside the freezer for a small fan sound when the door is closed. This evaporator fan pushes cold air into the fridge section. If it's silent, the fan may be faulty. If airflow is blocked by frost, unplug the refrigerator and leave the doors open for several hours to fully defrost. The air damper controls how much cold air enters the fridge. If it gets stuck closed, the fridge warms up, even though the freezer works. Unplug the fridge and clean the condenser coils at the back or underneath. Dust buildup can reduce cooling efficiency. If the fan isn't running or cooling, still doesn't return after defrosting, the issue could be a bad fan motor, thermostat, or control board. So remember, check vents, reset temperature, listen for the fan, defrost ice, inspect the damper, and clean the coils. And yeah, that's how you fix a Whirlpool fridge that's not cooling while the freezer still works in 2026. Try these steps first, and you might solve it without expensive repairs.